All right, it's that time of day. Let's get right into it. See what we got today. Today's gonna be a could be a good trading day. We got some nice stocks. Looking at some nice stocks today. Let's put that right here. Let's see how it looks on the camera. Chilling, chilling. All right, so we got a couple stocks we're gonna look at now. The only one really making a nice move right now is Lipo. As soon as the market opened, the momentum scanner is going to pop off, and that's going to be very annoying. So we're going to lower the volume there. Okay, 6.73. Do we have any profit targets in the vicinity? Clearly just not this level. If we break this level, we get a blue sky setup, which means off to kingdom come, basically. We're just gone. Could happen. The float of Lipo is clearly 2 million float. This could definitely happen. This is a very low float stock. This is ideally what I want to see. Now the part's just going to be where to time it. And I want times where I could get near the VWAP. It's what I'm looking for. This looks good. This area right here. It's right now it's 920. All right, I'm liking what I'm having here. I like what I'm seeing here. Let's try entering a bid for 5.40. Let's say around this level, 5.5. Oh, good to close till extended hours. Yeah. I could try entering a bid at 5.5, which is ideally a nice bid area by a little bit of the dip. See if we could get that dip. We want to try to buy off the 9 EMA. I think this is a 9 EMA, the 9 moving average. Looks like we're going to get curl up. Might have to just cancel that and enter another position here. Yeah, it already bounced. We're going to buy the ask here. Going to enter with 50 shares. Buy ask, sell the bid. Okay. Light position. 50 shares. Light position. Seeing this on it, if we get any sort of action near this VWAP level, that'd be very interesting to have. Okay. Average is 5.63. Gonna have a little level right here. Okay, I'm seeing like a nice flag here, consolidation pattern. My next ad is going to be above this level here as the high of this consolidation period. That's what I'm looking for. Let's see if we can get that. Gonna buy in anticipation for the level that for the break of that level. Gonna buy in anticipation for the break of that level. Next ad would be around here. Breaking that level. In for about 150 shares. That's $1,500 position. Average is 5.67. Let's see if we can hold or if we're out flat. I'm gonna hold here. And I'm out. $5 loss. Nothing crazy. All right, let's remove this level. Could have been a fake out. Happens. But I wasn't about to hold and find out. Okay, next level of consolidation break would be this level. And market's about to open. Okay, nice bull flag on the 5 minute. I'm liking that setup on the 5 minute. I'm liking that setup on the 5 minute. Consolidation break here, then we'll get a move upwards. That's ideally what I'm looking for. Move upwards, market open. Let's see if we can get that move. First ad's going to be at 5.7. All right, added there at 5.7. Gonna be light, a little bit light this time. Next break is gonna be right there. That's 100 shares I'm long. Oh, we're gonna flatten out. Hand on the bid to sell. They're gonna fake me out again. Average is 5.74. Holding. Holding. I think I'm gonna hold. 5 minute pattern looks nice. I'm not gonna get faked out by a 1 minute. 1 minute slowdown. Next ad is a break of 5.8. Can we get that break of 5.8 or are we out? A lot of selling pressure here. Ah, I accidentally sold. I accidentally sold by accident. All right, down $8. Damn it. That was my mistake. That was my mistake. My finger triggered. I'm out here. I'm gonna just accept the loss. $16 down. It's okay. See how much buying power we have. Okay, we can make something happen still. Okay, that was. I mean, yeah, the stop out was good. I think I probably should have stopped out early once I saw the hesitation. Definitely should have done that. Five-minute pattern looks nice. Nice bull flag here we could have. I don't know if I want to keep getting faked out into this. But we see the nice... We could see a nice break at the open. That's a little too risky. Not sure if I want to play that. BBBY looks like it has a lot of volume. Lipo. That's the one I'm trading now. BUN is also stock and play. And then we have BOR. Top it all off. $5.8 would be the high of consolidation. Okay, now we have a pattern on the 5 minute. Now I'm much more confident. The 1 minute, things can get a little sketchy. I have to start trading more off the 5 minute chart. Okay, so we have lipo, right? Or that's our strategy is gonna be bull flag here, open market. Let's see if we can get that to work. Open market. Our exit would probably be our next resistance level of 6.75. Okay. Oh, now you want to squeeze up, huh? Now you want to squeeze up. Close, buddy, close. You almost had me there. That was way too coincidental. Okay, now we could get, oh shoot. All right, let me cancel this first off. How many shares am I in here? How many shares do I have? I have 100 shares. What average? 5.9. I'm gonna flatten out here. That was a pure mistake off my part. Okay. I got confused there. But all right, now we're situated. Now we're good. So what are we doing here? Okay, we see this is a very bearish signal right here. But we did get a nice support touch off the VWAP though. That's nice. Gonna remove this line here. Remove this line here. Let me see my momentum scanner. We're gonna give these stocks a couple minutes to formulate better. I wasn't able to predict a bull flag on time. Bed Bath & Beyond flush down. Lipo trying to fight that flush. Yeah, that setup was bound to fail. $25 losses is okay. That's okay. Maybe I'm trading a little too aggressive. I could be. I do see a lot of volatility here. If this flushes below, I'm gonna switch my eyes to something else. Switching my eyes to B1. Gonna wait for the pullback. Don't want to just buy in the momos, in the momentum. Oh wow, oh wow. Oh, it just keeps on rising. And let's get that pullback now. Okay, that's what I want. That's what I want. Now I could formulate a plan. Alright, yeah, just take a chill. Sell some shares. Curl back up and then we'll hop back in. Curl back up and then we'll hop back in. Why did it just do that? Alright, whatever. Adding 50 shares here. Average is 3.88. Adding 50 shares here on the top. Average is 3.91. 3.91 stop. It should be around 3.85. Can we get that move up? Can we get that move up? Can we get that move up? Flush. Only $1 loss. Nothing crazy. Expecting a rapid, faster move on the upside. Which is still good. We're still above the VWAPs, which is ideally what I want. And I want to see some sort of curl. somewhere I could plan a better strategy off to trade with. Okay, this is interesting. So our next resistance level would be 4.2. The one after that would be 5.7. Okay, okay, nice view up. Buy the bid. I'm buying the. I'm gonna hop at the bid. Oh, nope, don't want to do that. I don't want to sell. Bought at 3.86. I'm liking that strong support area. I like what I'm seeing. I'm not gonna add any more shares until I get a better idea of what I'm gonna do. 3.9, I should add on the break of that 3.9 level. Should probably wait a second. That could be a strong short level. Want to see what happens with this candle, whether it's able to break. Yeah, you see, I don't want to get just buy up here and then just get stuck in that downtrend. Average is 3.86, so I'm not stressed. I could hold this position even if we drop a little bit. The lipo coming back up. Be interesting to see how it plays out. Average is still at 3.86. Alright, come on, let's make something happen here. Okay, that looks smooth. I like how it looks. A lot of sellers, 3.89 average. Cutting some losses. Cutting the rest. Nothing's working today, bro. I'm just getting stopped out in all my positions. I could have done a better job with lipo though. I could have stopped out at a higher. Here, B1, I'm not worried about. It was like there's a little share size. I might have to switch up things up a little bit here to adjust. Yeah, focus on the 5-minute chart here, which is the one that's actually gonna hold some weight here. I'd say it's a little frustrating, but it's part of the game. Today we are down, I believe it's like 40, 35 maybe, $40, yeah. See how much buying power I have left. Alright, we're still good. We still have enough to make something happen. I mean, yeah, right now I just gotta kind of just wait for the good setups to happen, I guess. I can't really push them to happen and kind of just gotta wait. Kind of just gotta wait now. I just gotta wait. We have a couple good candidates. All right, let's see. What do we have here? We have BWAN crashing, Lipo crashing, Bed Bath and Beyond. The only one that I see could actually have some sort of good movement. So let's try it. Let's try Bed Bath and Beyond, and then if this doesn't work, then that dip was stronger than what I wanted it to be. I could see a potential move back up to VWAP here through BR. And at 100 shares here, average is 6.32. I think my share size is just too big right now. I could also be buying at these high points of volatility. I mean, This is the only stock that I see that has a potential pattern that I could play. I still think it looks like it'll have a good move up to VWAP here. Next ad would be the break of this level right here. I got stopped out here harsh, but it's okay. We're on the scope. We're chilling. We see the buyers racking numbers back in. The sellers try to push it down, but couldn't push it below this level. Gives me a little bit more confidence now. I want to see it move to at least 6.6 before I add. I want it to show me some momentum first. All right, nice bull flag here. I want it to break 6.6 before I even think of adding. I want to see some moves. I want to see something happen. And if nothing happens, then I'm out. Market has no mercy for me, nor nobody else. So gotta be very cautious. Dangerous game. Bed Bath and Beyond flopped. B went curling back up. Might take a look at it. What are Bior's news again? I'm pretty sure they had a news. They had some news, but I forgot what it was. Against pre-market Wednesday. Updates on drug filing. Okay. Yeah, my average is too high. Okay, that's nice. Let's see if this move is sustainable. Adding at 6.6 here. Average is now 6.4. Oh my goodness. What the fuck? And another red day has struck in. I'm not having a good week. I'm not having a good week here. Nice bull flag on the 5-minute here. Let's try to play the breakout. Let's try to play the breakout. Instead of reduce share size. Gonna add here for the break. See if we get anything happen. 3.97 average. Gotta trade aggressively now. Keep adding to these breaks. Hopefully we get a halt, which is what I want. Can we get that halt? Let's see if we can get that halt. Gotta trade hard now because that's a nice setup that I saw, and good thing I was able to catch on it quick. I'm still even though I'm up $99 here, it's still I'm not satisfied with my performance. I'm not satisfied with my performance whatsoever because I have to I have to understand that these things like B or they can't keep happening because what happened here? Okay, lower the VWAP, so that's another reason that I know that I have to be careful below the VWAP. This strong red candle, even though it's 90 MA support, I already know that these high tail candles are a bearish sign. That should have been a clear indication to watch out for. And then on top of that, the movement here, just this strong line, right? Resist. It's just and then just a flush back down. Instant $100 red day. Should have been much more careful with that. Okay. Gonna have to review BOR. What do we have? B1 here. I'm in at 300 shares long. I do kind of see the ABCD pattern here that it forms. I am noticing that the bigger moves do take time, and I just need to practice that, my patience a little bit. Lipo, I believe, is also halted on how many shares of volume does it have. B1 has on this 1 minute candle has 1.5 million shares. Lipo is also halted, has 250,000 shares. I'm gonna stay with B1, more volume, but we could also get a more dramatic flush. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna identify B1's next daily levels, if we have any. Oh, that could have been. Oh, no. So our next daily level I have drawn here is around 5.6. It's around 5.6, and then after that it should be 7.5. So obviously we don't know, anything could happen, but that's gonna be in my eyes, in my eye view, my eye point of view, whatever. You know what I'm trying to say. I'm gonna switch to 15-minute now. That's weird. Why do I have all this crazy stuff on the 15-minute day chart? That's better. B1 resumption at 9:53. It's 9:52, 9:53, 53, 2 minutes. Okay, BOR halted down. Oh, good thing I got out of BOR, because yeah, that was I don't know. I shouldn't have had such a heavy position on BOR whatsoever. B1 here. All right, let's get to it. B1. LIBOR resumption is 5.77. What's B1 resumption? I think what I did was, had I let this flesh out, I would have clearly seen this pattern. I would have focused on that. I think that I was trying to trade too many things at a time without having a clear pattern. All right, B1 resumption is in 1 minute, up $90, and if it comes to worse, then we just sell out flat and we call it a day. Got the halt as predicted. I'm expecting the second halt. Let's see if we're gonna get a second halt or not. 4.6, average is 4.2, right at the pre-market high, which is good. It means a lot of people started buying at the pre-market high level. All right, now it's ready for action. Let's see, what do we got? Oh, that's unexpected. Okay, let's see, what are we gonna get here? I feel like they'll buy it. I feel like they'll buy that dip. They'll buy that dip. Might have to flatten out here. Yeah, I might have to call it a flat if. Gonna wait, be a little patient here. Gonna be a little patient. Gonna be a little patient. Being a little patient here, waiting for the dip and rip. Are we gonna get it? Or we're just gonna flush down? I'll have to sell if it flushes below 4.4, call it a day. Just waiting here. Oh, that was quick. Yeah, this is a tricky scenario for real. It's a tricky scenario. Because I see the support's buying it, and if it does get a pump back up, then I could sell higher if it does flush. What I'll do aim is I'll just sell at break even. I think I'll aim for that. My average is 4.28. So if it hits that 4.28 level, then I'll just sell at break even. I'm surprised it didn't resume higher, honestly. Gonna be patient here. Gonna be patient here and wait for it to do its thing. Just gonna be patient here. Eyes on the chart, eyes on level 2. Waiting for a move back up here. I'll probably sell back at this high, honestly. I don't have an issue with trying to get rid of my position at that high. Nice bull flag on both the 5-minute and the 1-minute. Are we gonna get a break of this level? Looks like a lot of people were selling after the halt. I expect more people to have been buying, but gonna be patient here. Gonna be patient here, waiting for that break. Tricky level, tricky level. In this limbo right now. Hands on the flatten out button here. Only reason I haven't sold is because I'm still in the green. If not, I would have sold a while ago. I would have sold as soon as I got cold feet. But since I'm in the green, I kind of have a cushion to see if I could get a home run. And if I don't get that home run, then I just flatten out. But I do have like a little like a support cushion where I could just wait to see if I get anything crazy. And that support cushion ends at 4.28. Which is I'm gonna draw it out around here, I guess. There's my support cushion. That's where it ends. So this is how much I'm risking, how much space I have for me to end break even. Just trying to be patient right now. And if it falls break even, then it falls break even, but I'm just gonna hold. Lipo looks like it's squeezing up nice. But I got my money on B1 right now, so that's gonna be my main focus. Looking at the way B1 traded, it kind of traded like sideways for a bit before it got that move up, so it could trade sideways for a bit before it gets another move up. Let's see what happens. No, it's part. I followed my strategy. Just disappointing when this happens. Oh, I don't know where I fucked up today. Clearly, I had a lot. I still see its level re-popping upwards, so I'm gonna just add some shares here. I don't know what Alright, I'm seeing a nice dip here. See if I can keep the pressure on. Yeah, this was just another bad day on my part. I'm not even stressed, not even worried. This is kind of just like, damn, bro. This is. I was in the move, yet I missed out on it. I'm gonna have to review the actual trading now, study some stuff. Average is 4.38. Stop would be the low of the consolidation. Bed Bath and Beyond. Yeah, I'm gonna just keep whatever I have myself left. Yeah, I'm gonna call it for today. I'm gonna call it for today.